Then take this material, spread it over the watch glass. After that, you add 1% methylene blue to it. Then glycerin. Okay. So next you cover it with the cover slip. Then you take the blotting paper and put it on this like this. Thus that you will observe the extra material. Then total arrangement of this glass slide you are keeping under the microscope to observe the nucleus. Then you will find some structures over here with the violet color, different things. It is called nucleus. So nucleus. So if you see it in a proper way, it will be observing like this. The structure is like this. So first of all, what are the nucleus? Having the parts you see. Nuclear membrane, plasma membrane, nuclear membrane, cell membrane, nuclear membrane. Cell membrane means what? The membrane covering the cell is called cell membrane. Boiled egg will be having some membrane, no? Garam ka means boiled. Upar ka china nikalta kya रहता? What will be? A small layer will be there. That is the membrane. So for cell, it is cell membrane. For nucleus, nuclear membrane. Yes. So nuclear membrane, and it is somewhere it is broken. No, gap is there. At somewhere it is broken up. Space is there. So it is called nuclear pore. Pore means holes. Pore means what? Holes. Nuclear pore. Then some thread-like structures you are seeing, right? These are genetic material. Genetic material means inside this one you can see DNA, RNA. Means the characters which controls our color and some of the functions of the body. The total material means functions will be there. The information will be there in the genetic material. In genetic material we can have DNA, genes, chromosomes will be there now. All these are present. So nuclear membrane, then genetic material, nuclear pore. So inside the nucleus, one dark round structure will be there. It is called nucleolus. Nucleus is different. Nucleolus is different. Nucleus will be there in the cell. Nucleolus will be there inside the nucleus. Nucleus के अंदर जो रहता है उसको nucleolus बोलते हैं. Understood? Right. And one more here. Cytoplasm means what? The liquid present inside the cell is cyto. Cyto means cell. Cytoplasm. Whereas nucleoplasm means the liquid present in the nucleus. Nucleoplasm. Got it? Cytoplasm means liquid material. Plasma means liquid. Liquid present in the cell is called cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm is what? The liquid present in the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. So very easy structure, na? How many names? Just drawing the round structure, making a double way, okay, breaking it somewhere, gap. That gaps are nuclear pore. Dark color structure is nucleolus, and some thread-like structures, DNA, RNA, chromosome, genes, which are all there in these theoretic materials. So nucleus is covered by nuclear membrane, and liquid present inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. It is a structure, very important diagram. Now, so what will be nucleus is called? Now we are going to learn about what is the main function of the nucleus. So nucleus is having another name called control room. Control room means what? So it will control total functions of the body. Nothing but the cell. Suppose system is there, office room is there in school, that is a control room. Yes, in school, control room. In the same way, nucleus is called control room, means it controls the functions and characteristics of a cell or the organism. Is it clear? Okay, what is there in the nucleus? Genetic information. Genetic information means chromosome, genes, that will be there. What it will do means which color you need to get. What work you need to do, what is happening to you, all these informations are there in the genetic information. And nucleus also helps or will conduct the cell division. For example, if you get injured here, अगेन न्यू सेल्स नीड टू कम हो जाना है। जब यहाँ ज्यादा सेल्स आना मतलब कौन लेके आता, किसका अंदर रहता, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर। न्यूक्लियस क्या करता है, ज्यादा सेल्स डिवाइड करके ज्यादा आके उसको मूव करता है। ओके, अंडरस्टूड। एंड एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन इज nucleus is absent in RBC of the mammals and phloem sieve tubes of the plants. Important bit as an insert bit. So nucleus कहाँ पर नहीं रहता लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म मतलब मैमल्स मतलब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स का दूध देने वाला या मैमरी प्लांट्स रेशो इंडिविजुअल्स के उसके आरबीसी में न्यूक्लियस नहीं रहता, इट वोंट बी प्रेजेंट। एंड इन प्लांट some sieve tubes are also there in a flowing special type, in that also nucleus is not there. So this is the small information regarding the nucleus, which is called as the control room of the cell. Is it clear? Okay, once again I will be reviving all these topics. So today's topic we are learning about the cell structure and its functions.
सर्वेट्स क्या हुआ?
So we are learning about an organelle means part of the cell called as nucleus. For this we need to do an activity in our daily life. We can do, okay, if you have the microscope and some chemicals like saline, 1% methylene glycerin, we can conduct or we can do this activity. Okay, so for this we need to write, the first one is A for experiment to observe the nucleus in the cheek cells. Next, materials required: wooden spoon, slide, cover slip, watch glass, blotting paper, 1% methylene glycerin, cheek cells, microscope, etc. Next, you know what the first step? Take the wooden spoon, scrape the material from the cheek cells, put it on a watch glass, which is having saline. From that you take it out, put it on the glass slide, apply methylene tube, then glycerin and blotting paper, extra material you take it out, cover it and observe on the microscope. Then you will be observing a structure like this. Then that is the structure. If you draw neatly, we have the structure of the nucleus. Nucleus is also called control room because it controls all the functions of the cell, and it also controls the characteristics, means what should be there, who should be there, who should do what work. All the functions and characters are controlled by the nucleus. So brain of the cell will be. So genetic information means red-like structures. It also helps in the cell division. So parts of the nucleus are nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane, holes which are there in between here and there called as nuclear pore. Dark color structure which is there inside the nucleus is called nucleolus. Nucleolus is there inside the nucleus. Okay. Genetic material, nothing but thread-like structure, thread or hair-like structures, which contains DNA, genes, chromosomes, all this. Okay, nucleoplasm means liquid present inside the cell. Nucleus is called as nucleoplasm. Plasma means liquid material. So present inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. And RBC of mammals and phloem sieve tubes of the plants. These are the two parts of different organisms. They do not maintain any nucleus. So I am sending the information in the WhatsApp I will be sharing. Okay, you write down without seeing this one and send it in through the notes in the group. Okay, draw the diagram from your textbook neatly and send it. So one special page you need to take. One special page, neat page you need to take. Thank you.